Good morning, everyone. I welcome you back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing fine. In this video, I want to talk about the protein requirement in kids. I have listened to the protein requirement compared to weight loss. That protein is very important for weight loss. I have heard the protein requirement for managing diabetes, but I have not heard many people talking about the protein requirement of their children. It is a matter of bit of concern because protein is an essential nutrient which is required by even adults' body and the kids' body. Every cell of our body is made up of protein, and every enzyme of the body is made up of protein. Even protein is responsible for the hormones which are secreted in the body. Protein is one of the major macronutrient which helps to function our body properly. So that is the case with the kids also. That is what I want to talk in this video. But before talking in detail about these topics, there is only one request. Please subscribe to my channel. I find people subscribing to the channel very less. Although I have got very good comments that you are doing a good job, it's a very good video, but I don't know why you people are not subscribing. Probably you forget to subscribe every time. So what is the procedure for subscribing? It is very simple. You click on the red button which is down below and press on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you will get a notification. So I hope this time you will subscribe to the channel. So now let's quickly start the video. This is the protein requirement of children of every age. I have categorized them according to the age because the requirement changes at every age. So the protein requirement of children who are in the age group of 1 to 3 years is basically 13 gram per day. Here we have taken average weight of a child. If you want to specifically calculate the protein requirement of your child, then the calculation will be 1.05 gram per kg of the weight. That means 1.05 gram into the weight of your baby will be the protein requirement for the baby for that day. Now if your child falls in the age of 4 to 8 years, the protein requirement increases to 19 gram per day. As the body grows, protein requirement also increases, and if you specifically want to calculate, the formula will be 0.95 gram into your baby's weight. And if the child is between 9 to 13 years of age, the protein requirement will be 34 gram per day, and the specific formula will again be 0.95 gram into your baby's weight. That is the per day requirement of protein of your baby. So if we come to teenagers who are in the age group of 14 to 18 years, then the protein requirement is about 0.85 gram protein of each kilogram of their body weight. That means if your child weighs on an approx 61 kg, the protein requirement will be 52 gram of protein each day. So now we have talked about how much protein is needed by the kid. Now we are going to talk about how can we give this much amount of protein to our kid in a most easiest manner. The first protein source I consider is a superhero, especially in case of kids, as it gives a lot more nutrition than just protein. That is a glass of milk. A glass of milk is, believe me, very healthy. And if I specifically talk how much protein you are going to get by giving your child a glass of milk is on an approx 8 gram protein. And I tell you, not only the kids, all the mommies, daddies, dadis and dadas should also have a glass of milk. And if you want to know the reason why I am saying that, you may watch one of my video about why it is important for everyone to have a glass of milk. I will put the link in the description box. You may watch it from there. But for now, 1 glass of milk or 2 glasses of milk can be easily given to children, and that gives a good amount of protein to our child. And the second protein source which we can give to our child very easily is paneer. Paneer is very tasty, plus it is very versatile. We can have it in curries, we can have it in dry dishes, paneer bhurji, butter paneer, palak paneer. And if nothing works, then give your kid paneer paratha. They will love it. And even if your kid doesn't love paneer paratha, what you can do, you can knead the paneer in the dough every day so that your kids get red paneer and the protein from it. And the third protein source is egg. Egg is a complete meal in itself. It is very nutritious and we get on an approx 6 gram protein from an egg. If you are a vegetarian and not comfortable giving egg to your child, or your child is allergic to egg, no worries. We have some other protein sources also. The fourth on the list is besan chila. Basically the besan, and this can be had in many forms. Like I said, we can have besan chila. One besan chila will give you on an approx 10.7 gram protein. And you know, the kids' favorite besan ke laddu is also a good source of protein. One laddu will give you 8.7 gram of protein. So I have protein source which we can give to the child is dal chawal. Usually kids love dal chawal and we can give them daily in the lunch or in the dinner. And you know, this combination of dal chawal is very good as dal contains amino acids and rice contains sulfur based amino acids. So all the 9 essential amino acids are provided by this combination. One medium plate of dal chawal will give you on an approx 12 gram protein. What you can do one day when you are not cooking dal, you can have rajma, chole, and if you are not cooking dal in lunch or dinner, you can have dal ka paratha, you can have moong dal chaat. There are a lot of recipes like this on my channel. I'll put the link in the description box. You may check out one moong dal chaat that also turns out to be very tasty. So this was all about the protein requirement for kids. I hope you liked the video. If so, do hit the like button, share the video with your family and friends, and subscribe to the channel. And if you're watching me on Facebook, do follow my Facebook page for getting more videos about a good life and healthy food. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay healthy and blessed. Bye bye.